Hello and welcome, and let's take a look at just some random coins to look at the ratio of, and I really mean random. I'm going to search it by date added. These are the old school ones. I've looked at a lot of the ones in here, but which ones haven't I really seen too much of? I really try to avoid the ones that are very low volatile. Let's just do number five, whatever we got. Crown coin. I really have, Crown coin can be fun. CRW, okay. And Quark, they were out at the same time. No, not Quark. UBQ, UBQ, and CRW, and they were random. And I'm on Crypto Compare to get the data. So let's first put in UBQ. I'm registered under my Google account. And I go to Advanced Chart. Make sure this is in Bitcoin price, because sometimes you'll download in Ethereum. Theta will come in Ethereum. And you might want to change it over. Maybe you want the dollar, whichever one you're looking for. I go to all data if I want everything. 2 weeks is like hourly data. So if you want to get hourly data for stuff, you have to do it with every 2 weeks to ensure you get all data. Okay, so let's go in here. Let's go to XLSX, and I'm going to save it. Of course, I didn't push my Save As button, which I normally do. And I open it, which means that it can come up on a spreadsheet. That's UBQ, CRW. And the same thing as far as go into advanced. When it comes up, there's the Bitcoin price, which I'm expecting more times than not, way more times than not. Go to advanced, go to all data. Okay, so this here, this is going to be a Pierce move or whatever. So the high is like a sick ass high number, but the close is which data number I'm looking for. Should still be fine. And if you don't want to save it, you could just click open. And a lot of times that's fine. Why didn't it open? No, okay. There we go. And then it comes up as read only, but I mean, all I need is this. And I'll just go like 1999 in here. Copy, because I know there's less than 1999 days. File, new spreadsheet, and paste. And which one was this? That was CRW? Okay. So let's go. Okay, so we got the CRW. Now let's get the UBQ. So October 13th is where this date starts off. And look at this first day here. And look at this day here. I mean, this is the wildness of the markets. But anyway, October 13th, 2014. And these were about this, they should be about the same. This is the UBQ. So I'm just going to read the date in here. We got 2017 in here. Okay. Wow, big difference of the two dates. So let's just delete everything to September 2017. And I got to delete a bit more. Okay, so those major move plays we're not going to deal with. What was the date again? February. I hate when they do those dates first. I really do. I do not like when people put, I mean, mathematically either go year first or month first. February 9th, 2017. That's one of my that's one of my major annoying things is for dates. Month should be first, day should be second. It makes no sense. But anyway, February 9th. So we can delete everything in here. And take this data. There we go. Okay, we got her now. Why I only got this data from this point, I don't know, but I guess maybe they added CRW at that time. That's what makes sense. And it was just traded on other exchanges on Bittrex beforehand. Okay, so the UBQ is a higher price. I like to have the higher number. So the ratio is going to start off at about 3 point high when I divide those two numbers. And in my spreadsheet, when I do the arrays, it's like ratio, and you need this plus the number, so I'm just going to go equals this number plus 1, and then the end array will go this way, and then I'm going to need to just get my ratio now. So I'll take this number, divide it by this number. So there's the 3.85. I don't know if this is going to go into pennies or not, but I'm going to format this cell into 2 decimals so that I don't have all those decimals when I play that black screen game. How many rows are we talking here? Because one thing that I should be checking is, oh, do they all match up on the bottom? Well, 100 times out of 100 they have. And then again, so 864 rows. Or 2 row 864. So I'll copy and paste this down to 864. And I can copy and paste this again. And this is to be used for my code. I'll use Notepad to start, and I'll just go this and paste. And now I got all the ones. So it ends at 104. And now that I think about it, I want to use a third decimal actually, because I don't know if it goes into the pennies or not, but I'd rather have 3 digits if it goes under 1. So we'll reformat these cells and put in a third decimal. 864. And there we have. Okay, so now we got the ratios in with the decimals. Again, if it goes, because I have no idea where the numbers are going to go in days 100, 300, 400, which makes it fun playing it that way, because I have no idea. So maybe it goes to 0.3 or 0.2. Maybe it goes to 10 or 20. I don't know. But I do expect when you just put two whatever codes together, there's always going to be volatility. So let me go to my small basic and enter the code that I need, because I just take an old program and copy and paste. And I only have one copy with the latest small feature that I added. So that was this one in here. This is the Theta Litecoin one that I did. So what I do is I just take all of the information from here and then copy. And then in here I can paste. And there's the code, but it's not done yet. First I got here, I need to the counter is 505. Whatever the number is, it's 862. So, and you know what, I don't know what fix I could use for that. One of the things I need to do is change the names. So I got Theta and Litecoin. So what I'll do is I'll go on here and I'll just double click the first one that I want to replace. So let's find LTC. LTC is the big one, the main one. So what's the big one here? The one that's worth more between the two, that's UBQ. Okay, so we'll just do this one here. It shouldn't be a space. Where's replace? Edit, replace. So I'm going to take that space behind there. So again, let's just go back to the spreadsheet. So CRW is the cheaper one. And then we had Theta versus LTC and CRW. And the other code was, yeah, my memory for short term can be bad at times. CRW, UBQ can be not the best, but I don't care. Also, I want to put my holding size. So the ratio starts, what a move on period one, but anyway. 3.853, so we'll go, so 38.53 and 1,000, I think. What kind of volatility am I going to want to play? Probably higher than this 5% stuff. And I would just manually change this when I need to. So let's go, say, 15%. And that would be, the opposite is just easy. I just go 100 divided by 115. And that would be for a down move. So that's 15% up, and the equivalency of a 15% up move going down. Program should work. Let's just see how it does. Let's go to new, paste, and run. Alrighty then, so this is, let's just play it for a little bit. So let's just play this with the auto and see how it does. I'm just going to program the screen size so that it works best for me in the recording software. Well, I know what's going to happen in day one, but you're just going to react to the situation. Oh, and when you get into a new coin on the first day, that's what you expect. That's why T-Fuel comes online. I mean, whatever, anything first day. You can expect high volatility. And within this was of course no exception. So let's go to sell the UBQ with, that's a good gain. So at the top it says a CRW gain, which, yeah, it's right. See, I want to sell UBQ now because the price goes from 383 to 199. So CRW, we got 3,853 at a double up move. I can go like 1,500. And then I'm going to change that to an equal sign. I got to change that UBQ, but it says, because that negative looks like the negative anyway. So UBQ goes up 48%. And that works out to, what do I want to sell there? 400 maybe? 450? 420? And then UBQ, this time it goes up again. Another good gain too, 300. CRW, well, let's just go to 6. So CRW gains 25. So I don't even need to look at the price. I just need to look at the percentage gain in my ownership. Let's say 800. Okay, so now a 34% gain for CRW. Nice gain. 875. Okay, I should have taken that move because, anyway, CRW gains 15%. 425. Now UBQ gains. Well, I had 425 on the CRW last time, so let's do like 475. And now, what a gain, 57% for CR. Okay, let's go like 1200 maybe. And then another 50% gain. So let's go 625. 17%, not bad. Let's maybe, I don't know, 200. UBQ, well, let's get that 200 back anyway. I'll give you the code for this at the end of this video with the equal sign off to the UBQ gain. Anyway, see, what do we got here for? I forget what I sold last time. Let's just say, I don't know, 200. Okay, 32% for the U. When I say the U, I'm thinking of the University of Miami because that's what I used to say back in my college football betting days. That's a big move. So 700 and change on a 3,000 ownership, 32% up. That's a nice aggressive play. Okay, now an amazing move of 50% move. So I own 2,300 and change. So let's go like 700, 725, which will gain like 800 on the other side. 31%. So let's get that 700 back. like 733 plus. Oh, a big, big move, 82%. Sweet. Okay, let's go and look at, so CRW, we own 2,300,000, and I'll gain 1,500. See, now I'm cheering for a big UBQ up move. Nope, I'm still happy with this though. So it's down to 42.5. I know it's going to go back because we've seen it at the area end, but you just, okay, what do we do here? We did sell it or short at 60, or we will go from move from 42 to 65, 52%. We own 1,300. Let's do what, like 500, 5 and a quarter. And look at that, 86%, another big move. Just continuation of it. And I'll just keep on doing it until it ends. 375. And I guess I'm going to keep doing it because it hasn't ended yet. Okay, so I don't know, 175. Okay, well there's finally a little bit of a move higher. So 175 was the last one. Let's get that 175 back. Now it's a 32% move up for UBQ. See, I don't want to sell too many of it because it's still so. I mean, once you have so many in a row like that, but I mean, I really got rid of a lot of CRW. That's probably not going to cost me much to double up. Even if I go to 1,000, how much would it cost me to buy 5 and a quarter? Yeah, it's still a little expensive. That's almost double up, and that's only going to cost me like 15% of my UBQ. And now, of course, now I wish I would have bought more given that, but you never know what the market's going to do, and you don't care. As long as you get this volatility, that's what you really care about, back and forth movement like this. Okay, well, let's look to sell maybe 235 of these. And that's a nice gain. So we had 235. Let's do 300 back, gain 65, and only costs like less than 10%. That's a good gain. And now we have UBQ up 25%. So therefore, that's if we just sell 10% of it, what would that add? 300, not enough. So I guess we have to stick with somewhere close to 20, and then 546 is a nice add-on. 21% gain now for the CRW. So let's go ahead and sell maybe I don't know, 300. Gain 665. And now it goes up, so let's get that 300 back. And some more. Okay, now it's up to or down back to the 41. Actually, that was a bad play. I pushed the wrong one. Buy 50. Okay, well let's just sell some CRW anyway. I screwed that up. Oh well. I'm still gonna have a great gain. Anyway, let's sell 200 here, and let's just continue on. UBQ back up 16% after that, so let's get a portion of that back, 175. And now up 20% for UBQ, so let's sell 750. And then that's a big gain. I mean, I'm 50% add-on. CRW. Okay, that's and when in real life, make sure you know you're sending coins to the right wallets. If you're saying don't deposit CRW to UBQ wallet, and make sure that's all correct, and just make sure in the real-time deal everything is fine and all the numbers are right and stuff like that. I mean, this is where you screw up as in a video game. Oh, righty then. That's what Jim Carrey said in Pet Ventura, and I say that all the time, now and then. So not all the time. Okay, 43.9. CRW gains 30%. We're only on day 63, really? Holy crap, it's moving fast. Okay, so 1252. Let's do 275. And now a 20% gain for UBQ, so at 275 I could buy back. And now a 20% move for UBQ, so let's sell maybe 900. Now let's get that 900 back, or 1,000. 80, almost 100% move, double up for CRW. Huge play. So let's go about 575. And let's get a portion of that back, 425. And no, a 25% move, just a whatever move, but a move though. 225, day 73. Are you? And I'm doing the auto thing. It's made 3 days to go here. Okay, 81.91. We got 20% moves. So let's go somewhere. Sure, why not? Now a 20% move. So let's just do I don't know, 1200. Okay, that's CRW winning there. So let's get that 1200 back plus 50. 46% move. This is sick volatility. Oh, on 7,000, I'd probably go about 26, 27. And now just a small move here. So let's go about 675 on the 44. And now CRW's up 20, so let's just get most of that 675 back. All of it back, plus a bit more. Okay, UBQ up 20%. Day 100. I mean, 2017, we're looking at like 700 plus days, 800 days, 900 days. I picked really low volatility, but yet big volatility is coming though. 20. Anyway, 20% move. Let's go 700. 32% for UBQ. Let's do 725. 55% now for UBQ. That is just sick. Let's go 1300. That's a big aggressive play, and it kind of backfired, but not really because I was kind of hoping CRW would have a huge gain after that. It didn't. So I'm now running in short sell or long, the opposite of short selling, long selling problems, which means my CRW worth way much more than my UBQR, and I do need CRW rallies to fix that problem. And here we go again, some more UBQ rallies. Okay, I don't know, let's do 200. And another one. This is just crazy. See, this is what happens when you sell aggressively. And it's going to work out again, but I mean, I'm still getting 1100 on 56, so I mean, that's okay. Okay, well, there we go. So let's sell. We got 1100 last time with the CRW, so let's, I don't know, 900 of it. Get back 500. And now there's 1200 there, so that helps it a little bit, but I still need a lot of work to do to get back some of those UBQ that I mischievously sold aggressively, but I mean, it's all going to end in long term. Okay, next move, UBQ gain. I'm glad I got a good buy there, so I can afford to sell like 350 now. And then it goes up again, so let's sell maybe 250. This is aggressive selling. Okay, sweet. Good move there, too. So let's go 350 buy. Oh, no, let's look at it. I want at least 350 minimum is another way of putting it. If I sell like 1100, what would I get? Yeah. CRW. You know what? It's down. I mean, if I wouldn't have taken a 20% UBQ up move probably here, but I'm definitely going to take a 20% down move. But just to a small degree, though. Let's just say like 800. That's a pretty good gain. And now let's get that 800 back, maybe. And now a 22% move for CRW, so that's 800 again. And it's going down some more. So of the 5,000, let's go 675. That adds 500, not bad. And there we go. So CRW now having its moment. 20% move. So let's go 700 and a quarter. Get put 700 back. And there we have it. Now we can go really aggressive here, especially owning a good amount there, 3,900. Let's go like 1375, and there's 1,900 back. It's all working out well. Okay, let's do the next move. So now UBQ, good thing we got a good add-on. That's now, I don't know, let's take maybe 1250 and do a sale there. Another one, 22%. So let's go 700. We're on day 160. I'm going to just probably call it quits here because I don't want to go to day 900. Plus, if you want to play the whole way through, you can. I was kind of hoping just to get through this really quickly, actually. Because I probably should have went with the original one and went 25-30% volatility, and I still, again, it wouldn't have made, with what you see here, 35%. It wouldn't have changed it too much. But I also want to do this on like a day by day level, even if it's a 6% move. As long as it's at least a 5.5% move, I want to trade it kind of deal. And yeah, so anyway, 3,000 and 4,500 would be the ownership here. And I started the game off with. So this goes up three times, while this goes up 20%. Now that's profit. That's increasing the holdings of the coins, and that's very good profit as well. Let's fix that equals problem because that really did annoy me. So gain current price ratio. Yep. Last trades. Okay, where's the where's the label where I put in right here? I see it. So let's just change this to an equal sign. There we go. And the code for this will be LWF377. See, for me, what I'll do is I'll go like this. This way, if anyone ever needs this code again, I'll just have it. It won't have this on it because I'm just going to have to resave it, obviously. So you won't have it on there, but you'll have everything not discounting this part here. So if you want to play LWF377, it's on the small basic programming language. And have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.